Are you thinking about starting your online store but feel overwhelmed by the technical side of building a website? Or maybe you have been relying on marketplaces but you want something you fully own and control? The good news is you don't need coding skills to build a professional e-commerce website anymore. Hi, I'm Janice Ong. I've spent over 25 years helping SMEs, entrepreneurs, and business owners build and scale their online presence through practical digital solutions. In this WooCommerce masterclass, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a complete online store from scratch using WordPress and WooCommerce. I will guide you through step by step. You will learn how to set up your website, choose hosting and a domain, and install WordPress and WooCommerce with ease. Then we will move into building your actual store, adding products, organizing your inventory, and creating professional product pages that are designed to sell. You will also learn how to set up variations like sizes and colors, configure shipping zone, and create discount code and promotions to boost your sale. We'll go deeper into how the checkout process works so you can conveniently manage orders and understand your entire sales flow from start to finish. Okay. Yeah. So basically, all these are the phases. You will learn on WordPress foundation setup, okay, and the content creation and customization and the building of the WordPress stores, okay. So the whole step by step I will guide you through. Okay. So by the end of this course, right, you won't just have learned theory, you will have a fully working online store that you build yourself. And who is this course for? It's actually for beginners, brick and mortar businesses, business owners going digital if you have not set up your own online store. Freelancers, yeah, if you want to do like website design courses or any other services you want to do, and entrepreneurs looking to cut out to the expensive developers. Okay, you can actually manage your own website, right? So I hope that you will consider taking this course. If you're ready to take control of your e-commerce journey, then you can enroll my course, this master WooCommerce course. Okay, I'll put the link in the description. Once you enroll, you can have actually instant access to the full training and start building your store immediately. Okay. Yeah, by the way, I will also have the various languages subtitles available. If you are not familiar with English, you can read your subtitles. Okay, you can learn anytime, anywhere at your own pace, watch anytime, anywhere, and revisit the lessons online. This is an online recording of the full course. Okay, and if you prefer to have one-to-one coaching, you can contact me. Okay. If you are in Singapore, we can also have a face-to-face coaching session as well. So just contact me. Okay, that's it. I hope you like this video and please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.